Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Nirav, and in this session I'll be doing Elliott Wave Analysis of Nifty. Before moving any further, please read the disclaimer present on the screen. Okay, so let's get started. So before moving further, I would like to mention that the last video update I made was on 28th November, and after that I made the update in the form of a blog post on my website. As you can see, I made that update on 4th December 2016, and if you want to receive these updates in your email directly, then you can simply sign up for the mailing list on this right hand side of the blog, and by that way you can get these updates in your email. So let's see what I stated in this update. I stated out two possibilities or probabilities. Probability 1 was the main count, probability 2 was the alternate count, and as of what we can see right now, it looks like probability 1 is playing out. So last time Nifty was around 8080, and I thought or forecasted that the 8040 to 8010 level will act as support level, and if market comes down to this level, then we should look for a C wave up. That is, this was the leg A, this would be the leg B, and this would be the C leg up completing the B wave. You remember, right, we are in a triple zigzag kind of correction, and we are in the last leg of this triple zigzag. So based on that, this was the analysis, and let's see how it played out. It actually went around this level. Let's just see on the chart. Let's get started. So here I am on the Upstock Pro trading platform, and this is the chart of Nifty. Let's expand it and move to the 15-minute chart or 30-minute chart, let's say. All right. So our last count stated that this was going to be a 1, this was going to be a 2, and then this was 3, the 4, and the 5th over here, completing the complete A wave of the B leg. So let me mention that as well. After that we had the correction up till here, and at this point I was of the view, or I was holding the view at around 8080 levels. Let's check. So around 8080 levels I was holding the view that Nifty should can see support around the 8040 to 8010 level. So here is the 8040 level, and here would be the 8010 level approximately. So this was the range I was thinking that Nifty would hold support around. What actually happened was that it went up till around the level of say what 8056 or 52, let's say 56. Okay, 8056, it went up till 8056, and after going till 8056 it made a reversal. So what my view right now is that this is the A leg complete over here, and this is the B leg completing over here as an ABC most possibly, and we are up in for the C leg. So that is my primary view as of now. What the primary target I think for the C leg is that I think that the most probable target would be, let's measure the Fibonacci range. Okay, let's measure the length of wave A, starting from the starting point of wave 1 to the ending point of wave 5. We'll measure the length of wave A, and let's just project this length from the B wave's end, I mean. So the 100% level is coming at this point. So this would be the region of 8396 or 8400 mark. So this is the approximate target that I would be looking for. Let's just say that it is 8400 region. So what the logic right now is that in a zigzag like A, B and C, as we have here, the A and C tend to have equality. So that's what I have done. I have taken the measure of the length of wave A and projected it from the end of wave B, and we are having a target of 8400. So this is the first most likely target that I would be looking for in this count, and this would be my primary count, whereas the secondary count states something different. As per this primary count, if the 8400 level is achieved, which is the most likely level in this analysis, as per this analysis, after that we would be looking for a C leg down, because this would be a complete B. Remember, this was the A leg, this would be the B leg, and after that 1 2 3 4 5 we will look for 5 legs down from here on. So this would be my probability 1 or primary wave count. The secondary wave count that we can assume here is that the complete ABC correction ended at this point only, and after that what we are seeing is a new leg up that is going to be taking place from here on. So as per that count, this would be 1, this would be 2, or it's possible that 2 is continuing, and after that we would look for a 3 or third wave up. So in both probabilities, the first thing that is quite clear is that the region above this mark, the current level of Nifty, should be achieved. Even if we look at the global markets like S&P 500 and Dow Jones, they are making new highs. So it is a likely possibility that is we have to consider probability 2 as well, because in this case scenario both are having equal strength. Any of them can play out, but as per this interpretation of mine, I think that the probability of Nifty going up from this point on is very high. In both case scenarios, as we just analyzed, the probability of Nifty going above this mark is very high. So one thing I will also like to check out here is that we can go for the complete retracement of this leg down. Alright, we can measure this complete retracement, and we can look for the most possible targets, which would be coming around 50 and 61.8 marks. So this would be the most possible targets. Let's see what the levels are for them. So the level for the 50 mark would come around at 80 to 50, which has already been achieved. Let's place a line over there, and the next level of 61.8 would come around at 83.40 or 83.37 something. Let's say 83.37. So in all probabilities, even as per this analysis, what we can see is that the level of most important level, or the first level that we would have looked for, 80 to 40 or 80 to 50, let's say, has been already achieved. This would have been our target 1 as per this interpretation. Target 2 would come around 83.37, and the final target would be 83.96, or let's say just 8400. So as per this analysis, I am of the view that at least this 61 mark should be achieved, and in the best possible case this level will also be achieved, 8400. And after 8400 is achieved, there will be two possibilities as just discussed. Probability 1 would be that the market goes higher from here on. Probability 2 would be the market goes higher from this point on, and the probability 1 would suggest a strong leg down as a C wave in the form of 5 waves. So that would be my analysis as of now. And if you want to check more about upstocks, you can view it from the link provided in the description. If you want to learn more on Elliott Wave, then definitely check my course present on my website. That's all for this discussion. See you in the next one. Thank you.